What's going on, guys? Today we are reacting to Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 8, so let's jump right into the reaction. Okay, so he doesn't have the grill that he needs, so I'm pretty sure this episode he's getting a new grill. Oh, wow. Damn. So he's asking people to make it, but they just don't want to make it for him? Damn, they attack him asking to make a grill? What the hell? Dude, blacksmith's dream of barbecue. Apparently not. They're all not willing to make one for him. So all they make is weapons. Bro, cooking utensils aren't lame. Come on. Oh, it's a bunch of dwarves. That's why they're so fucking angry. Oh, and they drink too. That, I mean, yeah, that don't help at all. Oh, hold on. He might trade alcohol. Oh, he's finally getting his payment for the dungeon. Yo, a whole bag full of gold coins. Ooh. Bro, every time Suri like says something while they're eating, I laugh. Oh, I think he's gonna get some alcohol. Some whiskey. Because I feel like he might trade this with one of the dwarves to make a barbecue grill for him. Decreases strength by approximately 2% for 5 minutes, and increases magic by approximately 2% for 5 minutes. Okay. Brown water. I mean, I don't know anything about alcohol because I don't drink. But he said whiskey, which I know what whiskey is, but I don't know if that's like the best type of alcohol or what. Oh, this guy's chilling in the dark. Oh. Can you make me a grill? He's like, I got whiskey for you. I'm assuming he drew that. I was gonna say, at least this guy's nice about it. They just beat him up because he asked for a grill and not a weapon. Yeah, come on. Come on. Give him some alcohol. I was waiting on his eyes to like light up. Oh, here we go. The sweet smell of fruit. Okay. Uh-oh. He's gonna drink it first? Yo. So he's never had whiskey before. He's like, I can get you all the whiskey you want if you make me this grill. Yep. Along with the payment for your services. Yo, he's got to accept that. 10 bottles. Let's go, dude. Yes, sir. He's gonna get a grill. It's gonna take 2 months. Oh, 3 days. Okay. I thought it was gonna take a super long time. 350 gold coins. Not bad. He just got like 9,000 something. They really like alcohol. Oh, he's gonna make offerings too, doesn't he? Yep. Bro, he's always forgetting about the offerings. And they're just watching him pissed off. Yeah, they're mad. Damn, you ain't gotta go that far. Just yelling straight in his ear. I love how like it's like each color like representing the god. Uh-oh. She's trying to hold her back. Oh, he put a blessing on the dwarf. Okay. So they all want some cake? Is that what it is? Or they want liquor. Level 40. Alright, what level is he again? I forget what level he is. The dungeon again? A drugstore next. Oh, like beauty products and stuff. Okay. Bro, they're all like telling him what to buy. Like, oh, he's telling them. They start booing him. It's like, boo this man. Oh shit. Yo, he told them. They're like, no, no, please. Wow. They're all like thinking about their own actions. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. All the money he just got, he's got to spend some of it on them. He really doesn't want to level up right now. Alright, so we're getting cake? What else are we getting here? Oh, maybe not. Oh, here we go. What's she gonna choose? Bro, she's really trying to hold her back. So are they all getting cake? No, she's getting the beauty products, I think. Yeah, different fragrances and stuff. So he's gonna end up picking for them, isn't he? Can she drink, bro? Oh, she's probably like 1,000 years old because she's a goddess, but. Oh, here we go. Please accept my offerings. They all just like just fly up. That took like 3 hours. Alright, time to do some cooking. Yo, a whole cockatrice? What the frick? Come on now, he was supposed to spank it. He's gonna fill up the whole thing with like shrimp and rice. Oh my gosh, dude, this is gonna be like so like golden brown and crispy. I'm surprised they're not salivating. Yep, there's the golden brown. Man, I thought he already had the bowls and cups. Yep, here we go. Hey, let's go. Ooh, dude. That looks so good. Yo, that is one fat cockatrice, bro. Ooh, damn. That's gotta be for Phil. That's a lot. Damn, bro. That looks so good. Oh, shit. He just chews up the bones. Oh, and pudding too. The jiggly stuff. Bro. Yeah, bro. He's done a lot in this season. I'm very curious what's next for what he's gonna do. They're having like a picnic. Yeah, I wonder why he doesn't want to want to level up. Like he's like totally against the idea. Oh, they're gonna give him the skill? What blessing is it? Does it level him up? Oh, double experience gain. Wow, so he is gonna level up faster. Bro. 10 bottles. Oh, did he already finish making it? Oh, wow. Oh, did he make it bigger? Wow. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Oh, 300. So he went down some, okay. So what, Makoto's just gonna put this in his item box? Yep. Oh wow, he's gonna make a whole like barbecue for everybody. Bro, he's literally about to become like so popular here in Dolan because everyone's gonna gather around and like just share this meat. Damn, Sui, give him some time. He just started. Bro, this is like my granddad on the 4th of July. What are those? Oh, hot dogs. Oh, sausages, okay. Dude. I'm just waiting on probably Alice to be like, hey, everybody, share our meat. Oh my gosh. Or maybe it is just the 5 of them. I thought he would have like a giant barbecue for everybody. Oh, with wasabi soy sauce. Ooh, those look good too. The meat juice. Some whiskey to go with your meat. Wait, what's he doing? Was he gonna make it colder? Oh, with ice. Okay. 1/4 of the way. Soda water, okay. Okay, so he's like a bartender right now. No, he's like in love with it.
こりゃすごい。こんなうまいもの飛び上がりそうじゃ。異国ではハイボールと呼ばれているらしいです。
A highball. Like I said, I don't know anything about alcohol, bro. I have no expertise to add here. I was about to say, the talk of the town, yeah. So maybe he is popular here. Alright guys, that was Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 8. Another chill, laid-back episode. I'm enjoying these episodes. And Makoto has gotten his new grill from Blacksmith Alice. So, that was a really cool episode. I did enjoy that. So hopefully you guys will join me for next week's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.